Healthy benefits of cabbage. 1. Good for stomach ulcers. Drinking cabbage juice regularly for 7 days, twice a day, gets rid of pain related to the stomach ulcers and cures them entirely within 4 weeks. You should feel the difference in your body few days after drinking the juice. Helps keeping the stomach strong and restores stomach natural pH level. Sauerkraut is finely cut raw cabbage that has been fermented by various lactic and acid bacteria. Is one of the best things you could eat for improving the health of your bowel. This feeds friendly bacteria, probiotics within the intestine, allowing your body to absorb more nutrition from the food you eat. Reduce blood cholesterol. Drinking cabbage juice regularly reduces blood cholesterol level, helping to prevent heart disease. Prevent risk of cancer. Cabbage contains isocyanate, which helps in preventing the risk of breast cancer, lung, stomach, prostate and colon cancer. Vitamin booster. Cabbage is loaded with vitamins. It's high in vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, E, C, K, calcium, iron, potassium, sulphur, phosphorus, iodine and foliate. Vitamin U plays an instrumental factor in the treatment of gastric and intestinal ulcers. It can be found especially in raw vegetables. You can find it in the green vegetables such as cabbage, celery, parsley, asparagus, beetroots, broccoli, green onion, carrots. To absorb it properly, it's recommended to consume those foods raw. Rich in vitamin K, it supports a strong bones, improve bone density and decrease the risk of fractures. It promotes eye health. Detoxifying your liver. Cabbage juice contains indole-free carbonile antioxidant which plays a role in detoxifying your liver. Cabbage juice helps in improving the bowel movement. Builds immunity. Body immunity gets better with cabbage juice and it helps in fighting against harmful pathogens. Helps in weight loss. Cabbage juice can be very effective in helping you reduce few kilos if you drink it on a daily basis. It makes it easier to eliminate waste material from the body. Helps with depression. Cabbage contains folic acid and according to researchers, people who eat a high amount of folic acid have less chance to suffer from depression. Cabbage juice has been used to treat all kinds of digestive problems for over 70 years. It is a popular natural remedy. Thyroids. If you suffer with a thyroid condition, be sure to contact your doctor before consuming a lot of cabbage, as some vegetables may irritate the problem. Cabbage juice cannot be drunk on its own as it has a strong flavor and can trigger vomiting for those with stomach acid problems. Adding carrots, celery and water makes the juice easier to drink. Don't underestimate the power of cabbage. Recipe: 1/4 head of cabbage, 2 carrots, 1 stick of celery, 300 ml of water. Method: place all ingredients in a blender, mix for about 3 to 4 minutes, drink straight away. Check out our channel for more videos like this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment down below if you did like it, and subscribe to support the channel so we can create more videos like this for you. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day and enjoy life.